Hello friends, we are going to review 4 great dash cams. If you are ready, let's start with the first product. Our first product is the REDTIGER F7N 4000 dash cam. This model is really a marvel of technology. While the front camera records in 4000 resolution, the rear camera shoots video in 1080p quality, so you can capture everything along the way with incredible clarity. It also has Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities. With Wi-Fi, you can instantly transfer videos to your phone. Thanks to GPS, your location information is also included in the images you record. Very practical. REDTIGER comes with a 64GB SD card, but you can also get up to 256GB storage. This is very useful for long journeys. It also offers a wide field of view thanks to its 170 wide-angle lens. An important detail is the parking monitor feature. It automatically records when it detects movement, even when your vehicle is parked, so you are safe even when parked. Positive comments. 1. Image quality is excellent, especially impressive at night. 2. Very easy to set up, was done in no time. 3. The parking mode really works, it was proof when my car was scratched. 4. Wi-Fi connection is smooth, the app is very practical to use. 5. I can see the whole road thanks to the wide-angle lens. Negative comments. 1. I sometimes had overheating problems in hot weather. 2. The rear camera cable is a bit short. 3. The menu interface is complex and takes time to get used to. 4. GPS sometimes loses signal. 5. The price is a bit high, there are more suitable alternatives. Our second model is the ROVE R2-4K dash cam. This device is a resolution monster. It records in 2160p Ultra HD, that is, 4000 resolution. If you want clarity and detail, ROVE R2 is for you. Thanks to the 2.4-inch IPS screen, you can easily watch the recordings. It also records a wide area with its 150 wide-angle lens, so you won't miss a detail on the road. Its performance at night is superb too. With night vision and WiFi technology, everything is clear even in low light conditions. Another plus point of the ROVE R2 is Wi-Fi and GPS. With Wi-Fi, you can instantly transfer videos to your phone. The GPS feature adds your speed and location information to the video. Very useful. Positive reviews. 1. 4K resolution really makes a difference. The details are very clear. 2. The night vision feature is much better than I expected. 3. The app is useful, I can download videos easily. 4. The compact design makes it unobtrusive. 5. The sound quality is also very good. Conversations are clear. Negative comments. 1. I sometimes had a shutdown problem at high temperatures. 2. Battery life is shorter than I expected. 3. Software updates are sometimes problematic. 4. Package content is a bit insufficient. Extra accessories may be required. 5. Screen brightness can be insufficient in the sun. Our third product is the CHORTAU dash cam. This camera also offers a dual camera system, which means you can record with both the front and rear cameras at the same time. With its 170 wide-angle front camera and full HD 1080p resolution, it offers a very good performance. This model also has night vision, so you can get clear images even in the dark. In addition, the G sensor automatically locks the recording in the event of an accident so that images are not lost. There's also a parking monitor which detects and records every movement even when your car is parked. Positive reviews. 1. The features are very good for the price. 2. The dual camera system really works. 3. The night vision performance exceeded my expectations. 4. The installation process is very simple and fast. 5. The motion detection is very accurate and doesn't miss anything. Negative comments. 1. Front camera quality is good, but the rear camera is a bit weak. 2. The sound recording quality is average. There may be problems in windy weather. 3. The screen size is a bit small. 4. The software interface looks a bit old, it should be updated. 5. The memory card slot can sometimes be problematic. Finally, let's meet the ORSKEY 1080p Full HD dash cam. This camera offers 1080p Full HD resolution, which means you can record very clear images along the road. The 170 wide-angle lens gives you a wide viewing angle. The camera also has night vision, which makes night driving very safe. In addition, the G sensor automatically preserves images in the event of a sudden impact. This camera also features loop recording, which means that when the memory is full, it can automatically overwrite old recordings with new ones, a very practical feature. Positive reviews: 1. The price or performance ratio is very good. 2. No blind spots thanks to the wide-angle lens. 3. The G sensor is very sensitive. It immediately detects sudden movements. 4. Night vision works better than I expected. 5. Easy to assemble. I started using it right out of the box. Negative comments: 1. The software interface is a bit complicated. It takes time to get used to. 2. Rear camera cable may be too short for some vehicles. 3. Performance may decrease at high temperatures. 4. Wi-Fi connection can sometimes be problematic. 5. Screen brightness can be insufficient in the sun. Each of these are great options to improve your driving safety and make your journeys more comfortable. Making your choices easier is our real goal. See you in the next video. Bye.